Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by gathering what's required: a modern iPhone, stable Wi-Fi, and either a cloud Windows subscription or a Windows PC you control. Once done, create or sign into the Microsoft account and buy the cloud or remote access plan. Make sure your host PC has RDP enabled or a remote client installed. Don't delay on network checks. Low latency breaks the experience. Set up credentials now, because you'll need them immediately in the next step when connecting. Now install the remote client on your iPhone and sign in. If using your PC, enable remote desktop in system settings, add the user to remote desktop users, and open port 3389 or use a VPN. Make sure the firewall allows the app. For cloud PCs, provision the instance and note the login details. Once connected, adjust display resolution, frame rate, and bandwidth limits. Lower settings reduce lag. You'll also map touch gestures and keyboard shortcuts, so interaction feels natural on the phone. Finish by tuning performance and peripherals. Pair a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse, enable landscape orientation, and save a connection profile for quick launches. Once done, test common apps and file transfers. Make sure clipboard sync is enabled if you need copy/paste. If something goes wrong, the key troubleshooting tip is to isolate the network. Switch to a different Wi-Fi or cellular hotspot, lower streaming quality, and restart the host service. If authentication fails, verify credentials and two-factor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.